Hi, everybody. Welcome back to EA Sports coverage of the NHL's Eastern Conference. I'm James Cybulski along with Ray Ferraro. This should be a fun one this evening. Really looking forward to this one tonight. The Canadiens take possession here on the opening draw, and we are underway. Buffalo's got a hold of the puck now. Great forecheck by Suzuki. Handles the pass up to the middle of the ice. Centering pass in front. Buries it for the goal.
I always wanted to have a fast start. It's funny, you go no goals in 3 games in the middle of the year, nobody cares. At the start, it really matters.
He was able to give his team a boost with his born leader superstar ability, guys. He's part of that leadership group, and his teammates rally around him when he gets it done offensively.
They take possession as he locks them up off the faceoff. Errant pass, and they can't connect. Buffalo's working the transition through the middle of the ice. Slides it back to the blue line. Great heads-up play with the stick by Drouin. The Canadiens take it along the wall. Hinostroza's got the puck in his own zone. Receives the pass. Puck grabbed by Edmondson. Through the neutral zone up along the wing. Puck dumped in. The Sabres gain control of the puck. Scooped up along the wall by Hoffman. Great poke by Gallagher. Tremendous hit against the wall.
Yeah, unless you're the guy carrying the puck. Man, that's gotta hurt.
Everybody loved it but him.
Oh, look at that. Here we go. We got a penalty coming up right here.
Let's get the call.
Oh, the water gets hot pretty quickly here. The penalty killers have to do the job to protect this 1-goal lead.
As they step into the face-off circle, let's see if they can take advantage on this power play.
You never know when your opportunities are going to show up here to tie the game. Well, I don't know if a power play can be any bigger of a chance than that.
Oh, they do it again!
Great stuff by the goaltender again. Back-to-back saves.
The Sabres move it in. Buffalo's got the puck against the wall. Into the corner now. Montreal's got possession of the puck. Through the open ice, they're picking up steam. Buffalo's got the puck against the half wall. And that's broken up in the defensive zone by Petrie. Picked up along the wall by Butcher. Too much congestion, blocks the shot. Slides the puck over to Petrie. Buffalo's got a chance to work the transition game now, shorthanded. Here's a shot. Gets a glove on it to make the save.
Price makes the save there. I imagine he's disappointed that he's trailing in this first period, but he comes off a shutout in his last start.
Power play set to roll on as the setters get ready for the faceoff. Buffalo's got it, and they're on the attack.
Players tell us all the time that they don't know where the next milestone is. That's garbage. They know when they're 1 goal away from a plateau. I think he's looking for it here.
Great use of the stick in the defensive end by Gallagher. We got a whistle. Penalty coming up.
You can see the frustration on the bench beside me here. This is just not an opportune time to take that penalty.
Price can steal a game for his team with his skill in net. Eichel's make-it-snappy zone ability means he's good at firing the puck while in motion because he's got such a quick release. Those are 2 players I know I'm going to be keeping an eye on tonight. Let's see if one of them can give their team the upper hand. Guys, back to you.
Quick pass to Haig. Buffalo's got the puck in the defensive end. Takes a shot. Denies him with a save. The Sabres penalty has expired. They now go to work on the power play. Montreal's gained possession along the boards. He was locked in there.
Smothered that in close chance.
The Sabres looking against the half wall. Picked up along the wall by Skinner. And that doesn't exactly go tape to tape. Up to the glove, but the puck skips away. And they clear that puck. Buffalo's got a hold of it along the wall. Gains the zone from the right. And he makes the save. And there's the whistle as he elects to slow things down a little.
A pretty good decision here with the play starting to break down in front of him.
Eichel's looking to win this draw on this man advantage here. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Nice job to escape the zone. The Sabres gain control of the puck against the wall. Here's a shot, and that carries off a stick. Can't complete the pass as it goes off a stick. And they get the puck out of the defensive end. Pass to Olofsson. Moves it quickly over to Miller. Nice pass. Couldn't complete the pass.
Gallagher's ready to join the play.
Power play has expired.
These are the power plays that drive coaches crazy. They didn't really generate anything. They didn't force the penalty killers at all. Kind of a waste of time.
Takes it to the net. Stuffs him again. Taken along the wall by Eichel. What a stop.
Doesn't lose his focus as he makes a couple of quick ones in a row.
Moves the puck along the half wall. And he comes up with it. Taken along the wall by Gallagher. From point-blank range. Off a stick. The Canadiens played along the boards. Back at the point, they set it up. And that's not to side with the stick by Olofsson. Play develops. It's a 2-on-1. Big-time saving goal as he gets all of it with the stick. They gain the offensive zone from the middle. Nowhere for that shot to go through. The Sabres play it along the boards. Whacks it into the offensive zone. Slides the puck across to Gallagher. Through center along the wing. Can't get it to go. Takes the feed. That'll do it for period number 1. We'll drop the puck on the second period in just moments. And we are just moments away from the start of period number 2. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. 1 period already in the books. Ray, how have you seen this thing?
The Canadiens probably a little bit unlucky in that initial frame. They controlled most of the possession, but they trailed by a goal.
Pokes it away in his own end. The Sabres have it in the offensive end. Quick feed to Eichel. From the point, looks to make something happen. Puck scooped up by Hinostroza. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Went for the dirty dangle and it goes sideways.
We used to call this the tic-tac kaboom. Nice move, but all of a sudden you don't have the puck.
Sends the pass over. Here's a short pass to Edmondson. Answers the call with a big save. We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. Buffalo's up 1-0. The Sabres win the draw. Dvorak's got it deep in the offensive end. From one-point man to another. Scores! And we are tied!
They've been scratching around the edges of this game, and now they get it back to level.
Officials getting ready to drop the puck to get play back underway. Cousins wins it in the dots. Takes a bump but hangs on to the puck. The Sabres have it against the wall. Takes a shot with the stop. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play. If you're not sure what's going on, freeze the puck.
Montreal's won the draw. And that's poked away by Kachula. Scooped up along the wall by Weber. Poked away in the offensive end. Puck picked up by Cousins. Denies him in close.
Really good positioning as he makes the stop from in tight.
And now he moves it to Dvorak. Here he is from the slot. Stopped by the goaltender. Past the midway mark of the frame, it's all tied up. The Canadiens win the draw. Great reach with the poke check by Oposo. Now a quick pass to Bjork. Takes the feed in the middle of the ice. Pins him against the boards as they battle for the loose puck. And that's broken up. Anderson's got it across the line. Montreal's looking to break out. Broken up with the stick in the defensive end. The Sabres have a hold of it in the defensive zone. Knocked away in the offensive zone. From against the wall, it's centered out. Gets the puck in deep. The Canadiens scoop it up along the boards. Coming down the left wing and into the zone. Up along the wing. Grabbed along the boards by Thompson. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. The Canadiens move to the offensive zone. Moves it around along the half wall. And that one's broken up. Great block there. Feeds it to Eakin. Moves it to Rustalainen. Great poke check on the reach. There's the buzzer bringing the second period to an end. Been a great night of hockey here on EA Sports, and we've got a third period just around the corner. Third period action. Are you ready? I'm ready. Ray's ready. The players are ready. Let's go. This one's still deadlocked as we are now underway here in the third. Buffalo's got the puck along the boards. Toffoli's got it through the neutral zone. A little dipsy doodle and he loses possession of the puck.
Toffoli's trying to change this game all by himself. That's not going to work. I mean, I don't fault the effort. It's just simple is sometimes a lot better.
And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Toffoli. And he feeds it down to Suzuki. Picked up along the boards by Toffoli. The Sabres gain possession along the wall. Great defensive effort with the stick. Montreal's got it in their own zone. Suzuki's got it against the boards. And he easily stops that one. The Sabres move it ahead. Puts it in deep. Montreal's got a hold of it against the wall. Over the line they come. Quick pass to Hoffman. Buffalo's got control of it now from their own end. The Sabres gain possession along the wall. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. And that pass can't connect. The Sabres played along the wing. And that's a smart heads-up play by Sherratt. Into the offensive end now. Scooped up along the wall by Gallagher. Jokiharju's moving it ahead. Moves it quickly over to Skinner. And no luck on that pass attempt.
It hasn't been boring. I mean, it's low scoring, but man, there's been a lot of chances at both ends of the ice. We've seen missed chances combined with great goaltending, and that gives you a low-scoring game. Now you got the lead. Don't sit back. Get right back to the faceoff and try and attack again.
Buffalo's found themselves a critical goal here late in the third period. Now the question is, hanging on, can they do it?
I think they can, but it has to be by being aggressive. You're now into the last half of the period. The clock goes pretty fast if you're aggressive.
Quick feed to Butcher. Right up the gut, here they go. Montreal's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Takes the feed. Drives it to the crease. Stopped by the goaltender. Sends a pass over. Taken by Olofsson. Montreal's got the puck along the wall. Here's a short pass to Drouin. Picked up along the wall by Yokiharu. The Sabres get a hold of the puck. Moves it to Anderson. Centering pass! And makes the save. Less than 60 seconds to play in this tight one. Gains the zone through the middle. To the low slot. Makes the save. Gets a piece of it with the glove. New York's up next on the calendar. Do players ever look ahead to games?
I think so. I mean, in particular, when there's one that stands out, it's a ex-Stanley Cup champion or the team you used to play against. Those ones always carry a little more pop.
Dvorak's won the draw.
Oh, puck doesn't get there. It's so crowded in front of the goaltender.
Quick shot! Anderson's going to give everyone a chance to breathe and hang on to the puck. Here we go. Face off inside the offensive end. The net is empty. They've got the extra attacker out. Montreal's won the face-off. Glove save! Quick reflexes.
Anderson's play has been outstanding tonight. From the time the puck hit the ice, he's been locked in. Great save percentage, and he's a reason they're close in this game.
Centers glide into the dot as the face-off ready to resume play. Great reach by Paling. They fight for it along the boards. And now it's over to Kachula. Wide open net. Misses. Montreal's got it from behind the net. Working the puck deep inside their own end. And they'll go the other way with it. Great play by Cousins. Takes the pass. Makes the save with the glove. And it is all over with this one. Montreal's play in the middle was far superior, but they didn't get the win.
No, you run into a really good center ice group when you play against them, but they didn't have enough. They didn't get enough done outside of faceoffs, for example, to earn a victory.
I guess there's a lot of different organizations that can take credit for how this grassroots movement started, but I love the post-game tip of the cap here.
Well, I think any team that doesn't do it now would look like they're missing the boat.
On behalf of Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. Thanks for joining us. Good night.